Hi everyone. In this video, we will see to remove duplicate data from our Excel sheet. I will show you 4 different ways to handle duplicate data. I'm sure you know only a few from this. Let's see together. So I have already created IDs to show you. I have duplicated some 3, 15. Let's make this one also. Okay, the first option is condition formatting. So for that, just select it and then click condition formatting, click highlight cell rules and then click duplicate values. Here you can highlight duplicate or unique one. So we will select duplicate and here you can define the highlight red color or yellow color, green color. So I will just keep yellow color and then OK. So whatever the duplicate value is there, it is going to highlight in the yellow color. So this one is the first option to highlight the duplicate data. Second one, we will see advanced filter. So I will just make Ctrl Z. For the advanced filter, we need to select this data, select it, then go to data, click advanced. Now here, select and copy to another location. Then your data already is selected here, the range. Just select this unique record only and where you want to paste it, just select it to paste the unique value. Select and press OK. So it will just keep only the unique value. There is no duplicate in this. If you want to verify it, you can go home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule and duplicate. Okay, there is no highlight. This one is second one. Third one, we will use to remove the duplicate from this column. So for that, just select it, go to data and click here, this one, remove duplicate. It will select automatic and OK. Now here, the duplicate one is already removed. Again, you can verify it. There is no highlight. So this one is the third option. Fourth option, we can use the formula to identify the duplicate or unique. For that, what we can do, we can click here and then equal to if. We will use COUNTIF formula. We will select the range and then comma. Then we will select this cell. Now, if the count value is greater than 1, then it should give a duplicate. Else, if you want to keep unique, we can type unique. And if we don't want to keep any things, we can just remove this one. Then it will keep blank. So I will just keep unique. Now enter. So this one is unique. Now if you drag this one, wherever the duplicate is there, just clear this rule from entire sheet. Okay, so there is no duplicate, I believe that's why it's not showing. Okay, let's make this one 7. Okay, it shows duplicate. Let's make it 3. Okay, on the moment the duplicate value will come, it will give the duplicate. That's only for this video. See you in the next video.